Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to apply UAE visit visa. If you are planning to come to Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi or any Emirates in UAE, you can apply for the e-visa from the online using www.uaevisaportal.com. Okay, and in this website you can apply for your e-visa online. Okay, in this website you have different types of visas types, like see here all the visa is single entry visa, single entry 1 month tourism visa. It's a normal visa. If you want to get urgent option, this one, the urgent option, you will get your e-visa on the same day. This is urgent option. Within 24 business hours you will get your visa. And there is another option, single entry 2 months visit visa and single entry 2 months urgent visa. And there is one more option, one more option here. Here is multiple entry visa, 1 month multiple entry and 2 months multiple entry tourist visa. Okay, if you are tourism or you are planning to do business here, you can come in visit visa, no problem. And there is one more option. If you want 2-year residence visa in Dubai, you can get this option. Issue 2-year Dubai visa from outside country. Okay. And one more thing you have to keep in your mind that now for the Pakistan and for the Bangladesh and some African countries, they are not allowing, they are not granting visa using the online website. Okay. So let me show you how to apply for 1 month tourism visit visa. Just apply, click here on the apply now and fill all the data. Okay, fill all the data, your arrival date when you are arriving, choose the arrival date and which emirate you are coming, like Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah or Ajman. Into which emirate you are coming, you can choose the emirate and write your name. If your name is George, then George, and your last name, George Matthew, or like that. Anything, your name, as all the data you should fill based on your passport details. Okay, don't use any other ID details. And your gender, it should be male or female. And your religion, you are Islam, Christian, Hindu, any religion, it's not a problem. But if you are choosing Islam, don't choose Shifa. Sorry, there is only you can. They will allow only Sunni. Okay, there is no visa for Shia religions. Okay, and date of birth. Choose your date of birth. Your age should be more than 18 years old. Okay, choose your date of birth from here. Okay, then your birth country where you live, birth, and your birthplace. Then your birthplace will be there mentioned in your passport. Okay, and your marital status, if you are married, single, or married. Okay. And there is one more option, education level and your profession. In here you can choose any profession, that is not a problem, business or your profession, no problem. And your reason, visit visa reason, you can choose pleasure and give your email ID and mobile number. Mobile number you can put your mobile number here and your passport type, passport number and issue country where your passport is issued. Like some passport may be issued from another country. Okay, that is a reason for asking for the issue country. And passport expiry, keep in mind your passport should be valid for more than 6 months, otherwise you cannot apply for UAE visit visa. Once you enter, click next button. Then there is another option. You have to attachment. You have to do the attachments. Your passport, say 6 months valid. Your 6 months valid passport, you can attach here and colored photo I'm adding this one for just a testing only. And your flight ticket, your return flight ticket. Okay, it should be valid return flight ticket. If you upload invalid flight ticket, your visa will be rejected. And there is additional document also required, your hotel booking where you are staying. If you are staying in your relative or friend's house, then upload your tenancy contract, your friend's tenancy contract, or their ijadi or title deed. Okay? Otherwise, you can upload your hotel booking, hotel booking details here. And if you are if you have any ID in your country, you can add as additional document here. Okay? Once you attach all the requirements, just click next button. Then there is the review option. Check all the data, everything is correct, especially your passport details is correct or not. Check everything properly, then next proceed to payment. Okay, once you did the payment, you will get the confirmation mail. Okay, and if you are choosing normal option, within 3 working days you will receive your visa with into your given email. If you are choosing the urgent option, saying that means within 24 business hours you will receive your e-visa. Okay, e-visa and insurance also, that will provide by the email. Okay, and give the card details here. Okay, then CVV number, then you can pay the amount. Okay, you can pay the amount. Once you pay the amount, then you can track your visa from here. There is one option, track my visa. You can track your visa. Give your correct email, and you will get the request number once you did the payment. Then your passport number. Then you can search here. Once you search, your visa status will be shown here. And once you enter to the UAE, you can check your visa validity from this section. Okay, so I hope you guys like my video. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much.